Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up my Clean Mama routine for December in my plum paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for December, I have the washi from this Orange Umbrella Co. kit. It's kit 276 and it's called Berry Festive. I thought it was super sweet. These skinny washis here will be perfect for covering up these green headers here. And then I have my Clean Mama scripts. So I've mentioned in a couple of videos that Saya Planning has relaunched as Aperture Empath. So I've got a couple of the new sheets here. So these are the daily tasks, and then these are make bed, wipe counters, check floors, tidy up, and do a load of laundry. So this is her old branding, Saya Planning. It's now this one here. So you can see this is Clean Mama Daily. So she has up here, like all in these as well, the name of the actual script. And then I've got my weekly tasks, which are washing the sheets and towels, taking out the garbage, dusting, emptying the fridge, vacuuming, mopping, cleaning the bathrooms, watering the plants, and scooping the poop. So those are my weeklies. These are my dailies. And then there's headers for the rotating tasks that happen every month, and then the monthly tasks, or kind of like what the monthly focus is for the house. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my Clean Mama's Guide to a Clean Home. So this is the kind of the routine that I follow. And as we just kind of went through, let me show you. The daily 5 are making beds, wiping counters, checking floors, decluttering or tidying up, and then doing a load of laundry every day. So it's just Scott and I don't have a load of laundry to do every day. I usually have a load like maybe 3 times a week. And then on the weekends, I don't mind laundry, friends. I'm one of those weird people. I actually love it. I'll put a movie on, I'll fold all the laundry. The other day I did like 3 loads, but it was like easy because I was doing some towels and things like that, and I was doing my stuff. And so it's laundry doesn't bother me. And then here are the weekly tasks. So she does it this way, where you do 1 weekly task each day of the week. So starting on Monday, she does bathrooms, then Tuesday is dusting, then vacuuming, washing floors. Friday is a catch-all, and then sheets and towels on Saturday. And then for her, Sunday would be just the daily 5. It's a day of taking a break from doing cleaning and just spending family time. I do my week, as you'll see when I set it up, a little bit differently, just because that's what works for our schedule in our household and my working schedule, because I work outside the home 5 days a week. And then here's the rotating tasks. And so each month she's got like some tasks that you do just once a month. So you can see vacuum baseboards kind of happens once a month in every month. Same with spot cleaning your furniture. So we'll be following what we do here in December. And then for the monthly focus in December, it's your office/paperwork. So clearing out your office, evaluating systems of organization that work or that are in place, targeting 3 trouble spots. So you're gonna like go through your paperwork, purge all that kind of stuff, do something new, choose a new method, or doing something, shred. So that's, like I said, going through all your paperwork, kind of end of year stuff. And then shopping your house for supplies if you need to put anything new in place, and then setting up any new systems for the year or adding on to your existing systems. So that's the guide. This was a printable that I bought. I actually bought it on sale. I think I paid like, I don't know, it was like $11.99 or like, you know, it was under $15 for sure. And then I printed it sized down to the 7x9 size, and I took it to Office Depot, and I had them cut it down and put it on just like a little plastic spiral here. And then I had them laminate this front cover and then just a blank piece of paper for a back cover. So I just kind of took my printable, and I've just been using the same. I was actually on her website today. This same printable guide downloadable is $14. So it's $14 full price right now. So that's where I have that from. And I love that because I bought it once and I've kept it for, I think I've done this now for 3 years. So, okay, that's enough chit chat. Let's get started here with some washi. And I kind of like this bright red. I think I'm going to go with this one here. And yeah, I'm going to need to white out, I think, just a little bit of that top edge of the green, just in case I don't get it on very straight. So right now, full disclosure, friends, and total honesty, my upstairs is a little bit of a wreck because Emma was home last weekend. Was it last weekend or the weekend before? No, she was home last weekend. When was Thanksgiving? It was just last weekend. Oh my gosh. Time's going by so quick. And she pulled out all of our Christmas decorations and she decorated downstairs. So we have everything up except for our tree. And so she left all the bins out because I still have to do the tree. And so I've kind of got a bunch of bins all over my upstairs. My upstairs is just, it's just like it's like our office area. The girls have their playroom up here. I film up here. So it's not like there's any bedrooms or anything up here. It's just, we took the attic space and we basically finished it out. So I kind of got to organize all that. It's kind of good that it's out because maybe what I'll do is I kind of started doing this just last year too when we put our Christmas away. I kind of started going through and kind of purging a little bit because some of my decorations were kind of old and just like, I'd bought some new stuff. And so I just kind of wanted to purge out some things. So I need to kind of, and plus we had, I had lights go out on one of my garlands. And so I needed to get new lights and that kind of stuff. So I was just checking through that kind of stuff and getting rid of things that, like lights that were burnt out and that kind of thing. So I kind of have a little bit of a mess up here, but it's kind of like the quiet before the storm, right? Like I love kind of getting ready for the new year and getting things cleaned up. Okay, so there's that. So I bought a sheet of just some basic boxes. I'm using this between my social media and Clean Mama. So I'm going to go ahead and put down the weeks for each of these here. So there's that. So yeah, so I've kind of got a little bit of a mess, but it's all good. Okay, so then let's go ahead and on this page, I'm going to do this one here. This is pretty. I like this. It's kind of lumpy when I get to this side, so let me just kind of put something under here to make it a little smoother. I've got a ton of Black Friday stuff. I can't wait to set up my new planner, and I'm really interested in how it's all going to work out for me. So I've got a lot of videos to film. I'm going to do a bunch of them today. This is the first of the ones I'm filming today, so that's exciting. And then this one here, I think this is white enough. I don't think I need to, I don't need to white out. Here, I'm going to do this one here. And there's only the 4 weeks of cleaning, so this will be where I put the rotating and the monthly. Oops, I cut that a little bit short. I will just adjust that. There we go. Fixed that, and then let's put this down here. I just finished, I had a bunch of light bulbs that went out, so I just changed a bunch of light bulbs, so that was good. I had to climb up on a ladder, which I do not like to do, friends. It kind of scares me. Okay, so there's that, and then while I'm here, I'm going to cover this little guy, and I have these little icons that I've pulled, and let's see. I kind of like this grayish color here up top. I think I'm going to use this little bed here and cover that. And then over here on this side, I'm going to use one of these little washing machines. These are so cute. These are from the weekly kit from Orange Umbrella Co. Okay, so there's that. And then now let's put down my daily task headers. So I'm excited about this. This is a new font for Aperture Empath, formerly Saya Planning. It's a little bit different from the other all caps. I think it was called Classic Uppercase, because I like to use the Classic Lowercase. That's what all the little scripts are in, the little individual tasks. Those are in the classic lowercase, and so this is a new uppercase for her. It's cute. Okay, and then let's do another week. Oh, let me put the little week down here. So that's this week here. Move that over a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so there's that. And then, so for the daily 5, it is make the bed and then wipe the counters down. Check the floor. So during the week, so on Saturdays, that's when I vacuum and mop. But throughout the rest of the week, I just bring out the broom and I just kind of spot sweep. I wish I had a stick vacuum. I borrowed one from work one time just to see what they were like. And I was vacuuming with that thing all the time. Like, it was so convenient. And then do a load of laundry. Okay, so that's the daily 5. So again, making all your beds. I do that first thing when I wake up. I love having a made bed to sleep in. I don't know, I feel like it makes the sheets cooler. And then wiping down your counters in your kitchen, and then checking the floors. Like I said, I just kind of check around, run the broom wherever I need to, and then tidying up, just kind of tidying the mail, you know, that kind of stuff, and making sure recycle goes out if it needs to or whatever, and then doing a load of laundry. And like I said, I don't need to do a load of laundry every day. I just don't have that much. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll put the rest of these all down, and then we'll come back and we'll do my little grid. Okay, so I have all of that down, and now what I pulled is I pulled my little Erin Condren stencil because I use this little grid here. You can see that. And then I pulled a clean color dot pen in the red, and I'm going to try to do some little red dots. We'll see if this works out, friends. Sometimes I push too hard and the dots get too big, so we'll just kind of see if I can do all of these, and then we'll come back. Okay, friends, so I laid out the weekly tasks. I did not have my camera filming. I thought I had hit film, but it didn't. So not knowing where I left off, I laid out the headers for the weekly tasks, and then I just write the first letter of each day of the week down, and then here's what my week looks like. I do sheets and towels on Monday. That's if I hadn't already done them on the weekend. Like I said, I don't have a lot of laundry, so I often will do it like on Saturday or Sunday. And then the garbage I take out Tuesday night because our pickup is early Wednesday morning. Wednesday and Thursday, I don't do anything, or I don't plan to do anything just because it's the middle of the week. I'm often, if I'm going to work late, those are usually the days I'm doing it, that kind of thing. Friday, I like to just run the dusting, get that done, and empty the fridge. Because I usually do my grocery shopping on the weekend, I just like to have an empty fridge once I go and bring groceries home. And then Saturday, I vacuum and mop first thing Saturday morning, usually after I do my morning walk. And then on Sundays, I'll do the bathrooms. I usually give Otis a bath, so I'll do the bathtub after I bathe him, and then I water the plants and scoop the poop. So that's what my week looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and finish laying out the rest of the weeks, and then we'll come back. Alrighty, friends, made sure I have my camera filming. So I did all the weekly tasks here and here. So that's how my spread's starting to look. And then let's move into the rotating tasks. So I'm going to go ahead and put these headers down. So we'll put this here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the header down for the monthly as well. Stick that there while we have it. And then let's pull the book again and look at what we got going on. So for December, we're going to vacuum baseboards, spot clean furniture, wash other bedroom light fixtures, wash rugs, polish wood furniture, wipe switches, phones, and remotes, wipe down appliances. I got to actually clean my oven now. I didn't need it the last time that clean oven was on there, but I do now. And then clean window treatments, and then light fixtures and lamps. So I guess kind of maybe throughout the house. So I'm going to go ahead. I have to turn the book because I'm left-handed, friends. So let's see. I don't know if you can see this. So I'm going to try to write and talk at the same time. Let me put this cover under here because it's lumpy. Okay, so vacuum. The baseboards, and I typically tend to do kind of around the baseboards as I'm vacuuming. So I'll go through and just kind of like make sure they look good. Often what I'll do is I'll just have, like, I'll run a clean rag over them too. So at least in the living room, dining room, because those are like open into each other in our house, and like through the kitchen. Other bedroom lights, I'm just going to put bedroom lights. And then wash rugs, polish wood, oops, I can't write and talk at the same time. And then wipe switches. I wipe my phone every morning, my cell phone. It's part of like cleaning my glasses too. And when I get to the office, phones, and then remotes. We only have one remote downstairs. We only have one TV downstairs. We don't have TVs in our bedrooms. So that kind of minimizes that. And then we don't watch TV up here. We have a TV up here in the clean. I'm writing the word clean. In the girls' playroom, but we're not up here that much. Clean window treatments. I was like, what am I trying to, I can't focus. And then what's the last one? Light fixtures and lamps. And lamps. Okay, so that's that. And then moving on to the monthly focus. Again, it's office and paperwork. So I am going to put that here. I'm going to put office/paperwork. And then what I do is I just put this main header, declutter, evaluate, and then I can reference back to the book if I need to. I just cleaned off my desk not long ago, so I probably just need to kind of double check that again. But I kind of want to go through, now that the girls are, you know, away at school, I kind of want them to go through all their old stuff. I meant for them to do it before they left, but they didn't get to it. But I'm just going to put an exclamation point instead of writing shred 3 times. I'm going to make them kind of do that this summer. Emma won't be home full time in the summer because she has a job, a big girl job. So I'll just snag her the few days that she is home, and then just kind of like, because I've got stuff like their artwork and their trophies from elementary school, like, you know, all their million years of soccer and basketball. So I kind of want to go through all of that and have them kind of decide, what do you want me to keep? And like, I will box up and start, you know, kind of putting things in attic storage for them. So, alrighty, that is it for the month of December for my Clean Mama routine. I'm going to keep it simple here. We've got the monthly focus being the office and paperwork. I've got rotating tasks, things that happen once a month, and then I've got dailies and weeklies for each of the weeks in the month. Alrighty, that's it for this video. If you liked it, friends, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.